All right, Jesse, what do you have here?
I have a new package from Defender, my favorite store. I got a new gaff too. Look at this. This is a stake that you put in the ground to show the plow guy where to plow your driveway. So not so much snow we get here in Maine, 6 feet. No, I'm kidding. But it's oak, so it's gonna be an easy. Gee, this was $3. And this thing was like $18.
Cool.
So, for $20, get a nice gaff. They're like, I looked them up on the internet. They're a lot more than that. Anyway, this is
what's in there?
electronics.
Oh, wow, that's a big deal.
We got ICOM, AIS, receiver, transmitter.
Let's see it.
I didn't say transmitter, but it does both.
Cool.
So
AIS.
that's going to patch into our system.
So that's
on board
the
with this
thing
guy right
that
here.
notifies other boats that we're around.
Yes.
And then we can find other boats.
Right. So this is a C-Talk backbone and a cable.
Wait, what's a
And
C-Talk
these
back?
things-
What's that
These
C-Talk?
things are 20
Wait,
bucks,
what's
25
this?
bucks each.
What's this thing? C-Talk backbone.
So because we have Raymarine stuff on the boat, we use C-Talk and instead of NEMA 2000. So this is like I'm not really sure what you call it, but you plug your stuff into here and it all connects. A backbone, I guess you would call it.
Okay.
Something similar to like NEMA 2000. And this is we already have one of these, so this is going to jump from the existing one to expand the network. And then this is the C-Talk to NEMA 2000 adapter cable. Actually, I don't see that in here. That's not right. What is that? What is it? It should be a meter, 1 meter cable.
Not look. Oh, maybe. It looks like 3 feet.
Maybe. I'll have to look into it. This,
External
interface box, I don't know what that is.
interface box.
Ow. Choked myself with my new
Just
gaff.
gaffed yourself.
Gaffed myself.
Yeah, that does look like a weapon. That could be a weapon. In case you see some pirates
It could also be
aboard.
your hand. You know,
Like Captain Hook. But it really could be a weapon in case, you get boarded.
Yeah.
Jesus, careful.
That's the last thing we need, right? Is another injury.
Another hammy injury. Jesse has to go for an MRI to check out his hamstring. I have to go for an MRI to check out my knee.
Oh, this is the thing that connects your cell phone to it.
Oh, okay.
So somehow you can connect your cell phone.
Oh, that's good.
I don't
So
know.
that's
an external interface box. And then this is the speaker and the horn. So this thing is what I've been waiting for because with fog.
Oh, like
you've ever been in fog?
Like a foghorn.
Yeah. If you've ever been in fog without AIS,
Not good.
not good. With ferries around you, it'd scare the shit right out of you. Anyway,
Wow.
this thing has a foghorn on it, and this is going up the mast.
So you just push a
press the
button?
And it's
Oh
also
my God.
it's also a hailer. So like if somebody's on shore or something and you want to yell to them or
Wow.
whatever, you can do like that.
That's cool. Nice.
So
Yeah, we needed a foghorn the other day. We were not in a very
that
good
was
place. That was dangerous.
Super sketchy.
We were in the middle of Buzzards Bay, was
no,
it?
it was Long Island Sound in front of
Oh, right.
New London, and there's ferries that go across there, and it was pea soup bog. And we had the radar going, and the radar would pick up the ferries, but they did not pick up small boats, and so we had a couple of sketchy situations. So
Yeah, that was bad.
this and this.
All right, so
That
if you
was
want,
the impetus behind.
if
both
you
of
want to
these.
sail offshore,
New England.
you need an AIS
No,
at
it's
least.
more important to have. I mean, you need it for offshore too, but I think it would be more valuable onshore because there's more shit to hit. And
Oh,
there's
right.
more boats and stuff. And so this thing, instead of buying just an AIS, we're just going to replace the one of the VHF radios with this new VHF radio that
Right.
does VHF and AIS.
Okay.
So
And then the-
it's really good.
the
And it
fog
has a
one.
screen on it, I guess. So like you can see the targets on the screen on this thing, and it will interface with our plotter. That's what those cables were about.
So it's like boat safety. For sure.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. We'll see you guys out there.